Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of mint, where each leaf holds the key to a treasure trove of health benefits. Get ready to mintify your well-being and discover why this aromatic herb is not just a culinary delight, but a wellness powerhouse. Mint, with its cool, crisp aroma and zesty taste, has been celebrated for centuries, not just for its culinary prowess, but also for its myriad of health-boosting secrets. So, grab a seat, inhale deeply, and join us on a journey through the refreshing realms of mint magic. Whether you're sipping on a revitalizing mint tea or savoring a mint-infused dish, get ready to embrace the mint magic and elevate your well-being, one refreshing leaf at a time. Let's begin. Firstly, mint has been traditionally recognized for its digestive benefits. It has a calming effect on the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, which can help alleviate symptoms of indigestion such as bloating, gas, and discomfort. Menthol, the key active compound in mint, has muscle-relaxing properties. This can be particularly helpful in reducing spasms in the stomach and intestines, easing cramps and discomfort. Mint may stimulate the production and flow of bile, a digestive fluid produced by the liver that aids in the digestion of fats. This can contribute to smoother digestion. Mint has been studied for its potential to provide relief for individuals with irritable bowel syndrome. Its antispasmodic properties may help reduce symptoms such as abdominal pain and irregular bowel movements. Mint's refreshing scent and flavor can stimulate the salivary glands and digestive enzymes, preparing the digestive system for the arrival of food. What's more, the aroma of mint, particularly the menthol component, has a soothing and calming effect on the stomach and the nervous system. Inhaling the scent of mint can help reduce feelings of nausea and promote a sense of calm. Mint has been studied for its anti-nausea properties. The compounds in mint, especially menthol, interact with receptors in the digestive tract and brain, influencing the neural pathways associated with nausea. Mint is commonly used to alleviate symptoms of motion sickness. Chewing on mint leaves or inhaling the scent of mint can be effective in reducing nausea associated with travel. Combining mint with ginger, another natural remedy for nausea, can enhance its effectiveness. Ginger mint tea or ginger mint candies are popular choices for relieving nausea. Additionally, menthol, found in abundance in mint, has natural decongestant properties. It can help break down mucus and phlegm, making it easier to expel and relieving congestion in the respiratory tract. Inhaling the aroma of mint can help open up the airways and provide relief from nasal congestion. This makes it beneficial for individuals with conditions like colds, allergies, or sinusitis. Mint's soothing properties can help calm an irritated throat and reduce the urge to cough. Mint tea or lozenges containing mint can be soothing for individuals experiencing respiratory discomfort. Mint's refreshing properties can enhance the sensation of easy breathing. Mint-infused steam inhalation, or simply inhaling the scent of fresh mint leaves, can promote a sense of respiratory comfort. But wait, there is more. Menthol, one of the primary compounds in mint, is known for its antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Thymol, another compound found in mint, also exhibits strong antimicrobial activity. Mint has been shown to inhibit the growth of various bacteria, including both gram-positive and gram-negative strains. This antimicrobial action can be beneficial for oral health, preventing bacterial overgrowth in the mouth. Mint's antimicrobial properties make it a common ingredient in oral care products such as toothpaste and mouthwash. It helps combat the growth of bacteria that can lead to bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. Mint extracts and essential oils are used topically for their antimicrobial properties. They can be applied to the skin to help prevent infections and promote wound healing. Mint's ability to combat bacteria extends to reducing odor caused by bacterial growth. This is why mint is often used in personal care products such as deodorants and foot sprays. Moreover, some studies suggest that mint may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know mint is known for its potential to provide relief from menstrual cramps? Menthol, a key component in mint, has muscle-relaxing properties that can help soothe the muscles of the uterus. This relaxation may ease the intensity of contractions, providing relief from menstrual cramps. Compounds like rosmarinic acid found in mint exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. Menstrual cramps are often associated with inflammation, and mint may help reduce this inflammatory response. Mint has been studied for its potential to modulate pain perception. By affecting the way the body processes pain signals, mint may help reduce the severity of menstrual cramps. Drinking hot mint tea is a common remedy for menstrual cramps. The warmth of the tea, combined with the muscle-relaxing properties of mint, can provide soothing relief. Some individuals find relief from menstrual cramps by applying mint essential oil diluted with a carrier oil to the lower abdomen. The gentle massage can enhance the absorption of mint's beneficial compounds. But the benefits don't stop there. Inhaling the aroma of mint, particularly the menthol component, has a calming effect on the nervous system. This relaxation can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a conducive environment for better sleep. Sipping on a warm cup of mint tea before bedtime is a popular sleep ritual. The warmth of the tea, combined with the soothing properties of mint, can help relax the body and mind. Mint's muscle-relaxing properties extend to the entire body. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who experience tension or muscle stiffness that interferes with sleep. Mint has been studied for its stress-reducing effects. By helping to lower stress levels, mint can create a more tranquil mental state conducive to falling asleep and staying asleep. Mint's ability to reduce anxiety can be particularly helpful for individuals who struggle with anxiety-induced insomnia. By creating a sense of calm, mint may make it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Lastly, menthol, found in mint, has muscle-relaxing properties that can help ease tension in the muscles of the head and neck. This muscle relaxation is beneficial for tension-type headaches. Mint may have vasodilating effects, meaning it can widen blood vessels. This can be particularly helpful for headaches caused by restricted blood flow or tension. Applying diluted mint essential oil to the temples or forehead and gently massaging it in can provide a cooling sensation that may help relieve headache symptoms. Mint-infused balms and roll-ons are also popular for topical use. Inhaling the aroma of mint can have a soothing effect and may help relieve headache symptoms. This can be achieved by inhaling the scent of fresh mint leaves or using mint essential oil in a diffuser. Some individuals find relief from migraine symptoms by using mint. The vasodilating effects and muscle relaxation properties may contribute to alleviating the intensity and duration of migraines. And there you have it, folks. A refreshing journey through the incredible world of mint and its myriad health benefits. Whether you're sipping on a cup of invigorating mint tea, indulging in the soothing aroma of mint-infused oils, or simply adding a touch of minty freshness to your daily routine, you're harnessing the power of nature to uplift your well-being. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.